Here we have number 5. We're going to prove the parallel lines. We know that measurement 1 and measurement 3 are supplementary. So let's start there. We're given that. Okay. Now we want to work with the fact that they're supplementary. So let's set up the equation. So I can say the measurement of angle 1 plus measurement of angle 3 equals to 180. That's the definition of supplementary. Okay. Like before, we always like working with linear pair or vertical angles here. So we can see that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 by vertical angles. Notice that these have no measurements there. We have to turn it into measurements by using the definition of the congruent angles. So we stick an M in front of the lowest angles by using its definition. Now I saw that I can make a substitution. So angle 1 gets the measurement of angle 1 gets replaced with the measurement of angle 2 by substitution, leaving me with the measurement of angle 2 plus the measurement of angle 3 equals to 180. These are your consecutive interior angles. So I can say that they're parallel because of the converse of the consecutive interior angles. The converse of consecutive angles states that the measurements of the two consecutive interior angles, if they're supplementary, then the lines are parallel.